Hello. Taking part in conversations can sometimes feel a little daunting, especially as we all want to feel that what we are saying is valued. Whilst you are clearly very competent in being able to ensure your viewpoints are being heard in a positive manner, how can we ensure that others feel the same way as well? Well, here are some helpful hints in this area. So, first and foremost, train your ears. Make sure you practice listening to others speak. So, using subtitles on your television or when you're watching videos online will help you understand what is being said, some of the key vocabulary that's used, and then you can use that in your own work. Obviously, you need to then learn those key words because, as we know, there are words that we associate with key topics. So, if you learn these and you remind yourselves of the key words, well, then you'll be able to listen for them and to use them. You should listen for other key words as well, such as who, what, when, where, and why, and how, as they will often signify the start of a new topic, so you're able to listen for them. Use the wording of the question or some of the wording from another member in your group to show not only that you have been listening, but this will then give you the platform to add your own thoughts. For example, someone might say, I enjoyed the film last night, but I didn't like the end. Your response could be something such as, I thought the end of the film wasn't terrible, but I did prefer other parts. So you can see and you can hear that we've used what other people have said to help us create our own response. Now, if in doubt, you can always check that a member of the discussion are clear on what you have mentioned. So this can be achieved by uttering things such as, do you agree? Or what is your view? This is also a great way to engage others into the conversation. Finally, the best way as always is to make sure that you are practicing because then you become more familiar and confident with the skill. So if you want to be a great athlete, you practice. If you want to be a great musician, you practice. If you want to be great at using the English language, we practice. So right now, you need to practice those skills. Good luck.